Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Elder Scrolls Online error code BC9051AB. This error appears when players try to use the Furnishing Vault for the first time. According to user reports, the error shows up as soon as the vault is accessed, making it unusable. As per our research, the error seems to be related to add-ons or reshades, especially if any of them are outdated or not fully compatible with the latest version of the game. First, if you are using any add-ons or reshades, verify if any of them are outdated. If the error still comes, then try disabling all the add-ons and reshades. After that, check if the error still appears when using the Furnishing Vault. If you still receive the error, then power cycle your device along with your internet. Once done, check if there are any pending updates for the game or your device firmware. If yes, install them and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.